ಸಾಯಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು 35 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ 35 to 40 years. ಇವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರ ಅಂಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ more than 100 students have represented India. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಗುಡ್ಡುಗಳಿದೆ ನನಗ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈಗ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್. ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಗಿ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇವರನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 15 days he was there at Paris to decide the match. ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಾದ್ರೆ he has to decide. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು 5 to 10 minutes ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್. ವೈ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಓವರ್ ಟು ಯು.
Good morning all of you once again. Happy to see you in the morning, and I think I am disturbing you.
Very happy
Because ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ವೈಟಲ್ ರೋಲ್. So you have fitness. There are 4 pillars. Fitness, ಒಂದು technical training, tactics, psychological build-up. These are the 4 pillars on which any sports you can build. So base is very, very important. Base is that, and you can have the better building, first floor, second floor, third floor. Alva. So fitness alli, see, there are major factors like strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, coordination. These are the 5 factors which constitutes major the fitness. Conditioning, strength and conditioning anta ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್, coordination, endurance, flexibility. These are all very, very important. Without which you can't play any cricket. No batting, no fielding, no bowling, you know. So what I mean to say is you concentrate on little fitness. Half an hour before any sports you are going to take part. Half an hour. You should run slowly, jog slowly, run faster slowly. So these are the things regularly. If you keep your fitness level, then you can play any game, right? So cricket alli ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ talent oriented. You know, nowadays cricket has become a big sport in the world. Next Olympics, you know, now Ajay Shah is going to plan that cricket should be included in the next Olympics. You know, Olympics, next Olympics. See, sport is so much planned. Once in 4 years, Olympics are held. Now 2024 Paris was held. Next 2028 Los Angeles fixed already. Los Angeles Olympics. 2032 Canberra, Australia fixed. Right? 2036 India is also contesting, bidding for the Olympics. So these periodization highly planned. The sports are highly planned. Long periodization, medium periodization, small, macro cycle, mesocycle, microcycle ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 1 ವಾರ, 1 ತಿಂಗಳು, 3 ತಿಂಗಳು, 6 ತಿಂಗಳು, 1 ವರ್ಷ, 1 ದಿವಸ. Per day you can have 2 sessions, you know. Morning 1 session, evening 1 session. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ in 1.5 hour, around 90 minutes. It depends on the age group. 2 hours, 3 hours, elderly, adult. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 1 hour ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಆ 1 hour ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 30 minutes ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಯು ನೋ, one player, Vaibhav Suryavamshi. You heard of anybody? At the age of 13, he is representing India and making centuries. What is the base of it? From Bihar, right? He has been sold recently more than 1 crore.
1.1.
Huh?
1.1.
Yeah, around 1.1. He is 13 years of age. I can't imagine. Hundreds. So fitness, again. And see, sports is talent. Out of 100%, if you want to become a sprinter, 80% it should come by birth. Sprinters, it should be by birth. These all identified through the muscle what you have. Do you have white muscle fiber or red muscle fiber? If you have red muscle fibers in your body, you can be a long distance runner. If you have white muscle fibers, you can be a sprinter. You can't make a sprinter into a race runner and race runner into a long distance runner. So sports have, if you have talent only you can pick. And the donkey can never be made as a racehorse. And the horse can never carry long, heavy weight and for a longer distance. So they have some particular potential in them. Accordingly, they do their daily workout. So bowler, fast bowler, then spinner. So the running, the pace, how much they do. So on these qualities, whatever they have, accordingly they can build their talent. So what I want to tell you is concentrate on fitness and see that your base is built. On the basis of that, you can become a better Broadman like player or a Sunil Gavaskar or a Tendulkar or Bumrah now. And in this cricket world, Karnataka played a very, very important role. You know, top class players, previous years, so many like Prasanna, Vishwanath, Chandrasekhar, ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಾ ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು? ಜೈಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ ಬ್ರೈಟರ್, ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ವೇ. ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು.
Thank you. Thank you.